Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 6th of July. And first of all, national news. 100 students in Sikkim suffered severe skin infections due to Nairobi flies. 3 charged for copyright over use of Disney characters in birthday products in Maharashtra. Karnataka Anti-Corruption Bureau raided Congress MLA's properties. Srinagar Leh highway blocked after flash floods hit Jammu and Kashmir. Team Thackeray will win over 100 seats if midterm polls are held, Sena MP. SpiceJet's Karachi lending its sixth safety-related concern in under 3 weeks. Twitter went to court on Tuesday challenging certain government orders to take down content. It said seeking a judicial review of content that the government wanted blocked. SpiceJet double trouble. Karachi stopped windshield cracks on Mumbai flight. Maharashtra's new Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis on Tuesday held a roadshow in Nagpur after he received a warm welcome upon his arrival in the city. S. Jaishankar to attend G20 foreign ministers meet in Indonesia on 7th July. And now some international news. High Court summoned Pakistan's Shehbaz Sharif in missing persons case, and the case is related to the disappearance of journalist Mudassar Mahmood Naro. Thousands more flee amid severe floods in Sydney. Emergency services had instructed about 50,000 people to evacuate or to prepare to escape. Ukrainian became second woman to win Fields Medal, Nobel of Mathematics. This is the truth. Sri Lankan Prime Minister admitted bankruptcy on Tuesday. NATO began process to ratify Finland-Sweden membership. Hundreds of millions of Chinese citizens, data stolen, claimed hacker. US Embassy in Moscow hid address as Russia renamed the square outside building after Ukraine's separatist. Russian scientist died 2 days after being arrested for treason. And now some sports news. PSG sacked Mauricio Pochettino, appointed Christophe Galtier as new coach. India vs England 5th Test report. Joe Root, Johnny Bairstow helped England register record chase, beat India by 7 wickets. Tottenham Hotspur new boy Richarlison banned after Flair celebration. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.